When buying a home, credit matters. We're going to talk today about some tips you can take to get your credit ready for buying. The first thing you need to do to be aware of your credit is to check it. There are so many sources out there where you can do it. You can connect with a local lender and they will pull your credit. You can go to things like Experian.com or buy your annual credit report, things like that. You're going to want to know where your credit score is now. If your credit score is good, you're going to want to work on maintaining it. But if you have some deficits there, here are a couple tips for you for getting your credit in better shape to buy a home. First tip for you, pay down your debt. There are many resources out there. Just Google how to pay down debt. You will find so many sources on that. You're going to want to chip away at it, whether you use the highest interest rate to lowest rate method, the Dave Ramsey snowball method. There are ways out there that can help you figure out how to get that credit card debt under control. When it comes to buying a home though, paying down that credit card debt first is going to be a great step for you to take. Another tip, don't open any new accounts. I know that it's tempting to save that 20% at the cash register or to do things like buy appliances on 0% down or furniture. When you are trying to buy a house, hold off on all of that. You only need to wait until you're done purchasing the home if you really need to take out that credit, but don't do it as you are getting ready to buy a home because it can, number one, lower your credit, but also the more inquiries you have, the worse it looks to a lender when you go to purchase your home. Another tip, if you have any delinquent or late bills or collections out there, pay those off. Those are huge red flags when it comes to lenders, so make sure you don't have any of those on your credit. Along with that, continue to pay your bills on time. Ensure that you don't have any missed or late payments. This is a huge factor when it comes to being approved for a mortgage and for lenders to see your credit trustworthiness. If you've had dings in the past, every month that elapses, those dings become less of a hit, but new current dings are huge, so do not let that happen at all costs. These are just a few of the tips to get you credit worthy. There's much more we could say, so if you have questions about your particular situation and what you need to do to get your credit where it needs to be to buy a home, please reach out and we will talk through the right steps for you.